Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from the Cop Cam, and the title of the video is When You Get Rejected. So wait, hold on, that don't even sound right. When you get rejected, so you destroy 10 airplanes. When you get rejected, so you destroy that line, don't even, I'm not bugging out. That's the title. When you get rejected, so you destroy 10 airplanes. I mean, I would have had the title as like, you get rejected, so destroy 10 airplanes or something. But the win, that don't really sound right. But anyway, before we get into it, man, check out the merch. Come on, we got the black and gold Act Right t-shirts. You know what I'm saying? We got some other merch, man. It's gonna be dropping very, very soon, man. It's good material. It's good, like it ain't no, you know what I mean? It feels nice, it's soft. But anyway, all right, forget all that. I know you don't want to hear about me chit-chatting. So let's get into the video, man.
On October 23rd, 2024, officers were called after a man was caught on camera damaging airplanes after being rejected.
He's on the golf cart, there's driving around. Bring him to me. Are we sure it's him? He's on camera. Can we get him? Yes, sir. Can we talk to my boss real quick? Like I did here. They say they have him on video. Hey, I'm the one that called. He's on a golf cart right in the back. We got him on video. We got him on tape. Oh, so he's being cool. He's not a threat. He's an idiot. He's back here now. But he's on the golf cart. We got at least 12 aircraft that he's vandalized. He came to me and asked me to fly alone, and we don't feel it's safe yet. And I told him that. I'm like, until your instructor lets you go, you're not going to fly alone. And then he got pissed. And then we got him on video. He went out and he's bending throttles, snapping them off. How many airplanes? At least 10? 12. At least 12 airplanes now. And Scott, the guy in the yellow shirt, came up to me before he knew what was going on and said it was a stranger going in like all these airplanes. Like, hey, like there's something weird with that guy. How old is this guy? 23 maybe? Is that him right there? Yep, he's the gentleman on the passenger seat front. Good morning, sir. Go and step off for me. All right. Anything in your backpack? No, that's my stuff. All right, take it off. Around, put your hands on the back. From this moment right now, you're going to be detained. We're going to speak to you and go from there. What's all in your pockets? Anything crazy?
My mobile phone. Can I talk to him?
We'll do all that in a minute, okay? What's this right here?
Phone. I need to talk to him. Hey? Sir? Hey, sir? I need to talk to him.
You can wait a minute, okay? Let me talk. You understand why we're here today?
I just need to talk to him. Actually, I'm a student here. I'm a student here.
Okay.
And that guy, he's like, you are not like one of us, and you are like a stupid guy and all. And he's eating my money. I paid $50,000 here. Okay. I'm from like India, you know that.
Yeah, I know where India is at.
Okay, good. Well, I'm India. So it's all about like he's not fucking me around, and like it's been 3 months he's been fucking me around.
Okay.
So it's all frustration. Like.
So what did you do in frustration? 7 or 8? How much money value you think's on that?
I'm not sure a lot. I can say that.
Okay.
Can you show us which aircraft? I don't want there to be an aircraft that's damaged.
Yo, you admitted to damaging 7 to 8? You're done. It doesn't matter. Whatever you think about the instructor, whatever the case may be, you cannot go around damaging airplanes. Period. You going to jail, my boy. And that's probably going to be a lot of money to fix, depending on what it is that he messed with. Woo-wee.
That we don't know about.
I have to take photos of everything.
Can I talk to him?
Relax. Okay. Relax.
Can he show us all the airplanes? Because so that way we know.
Yeah.
And what will happen after?
So you're being placed under arrest for criminal vandalism.
And what will happen after that?
You'll be placed under arrest. You'll be taken to the Martin County Jail. And then you're going to have a bond. I don't know what the bond's going to be. I'll be able to tell you then, and then you can bond out and do all that. And then you're going to ultimately be in charge for paying them back the money, stuff like that.
And like how much prison is this?
How much what?
Prison time?
I don't know. You're going to be able to bond out right away once they get you booked in, and then you're going to like.
He said, how much prison time? Hey, you better lawyer up, my boy. But at this point, it's pretty much a waste of time because you admitted to it.
Be able to go to court and everything like that. You're going to be able to go to court. Nobody knows what what your jail time is going to be, if any. We don't know.
So where are we going to?
You may be able to work something out with them with paying it all back.
I need to talk to him first.
Okay.
If he
Listen to what we're saying. If I take these handcuffs off, we're going to have to hurt you.
What?
If I take these handcuffs off, are we going to have to hurt you? Are you going to cooperate with us? No. It's a yes or no. Are you going to cooperate with us?
Yes.
You run. You don't listen to a word we say. We're going to take. It's going to hurt.
Is it possible to talk to him or?
We will in a second. We'll talk to him.
First, we want to see which airplane, because we don't want them to crash. Let's walk.
Show us which ones. We're going to walk around with them. Do one of y'all want to walk with us? Would you mind Zach takes a list? Yes. Yep. Come on. You said you think like 7 or 8?
I didn't count.
Huh?
I didn't count.
You didn't count? This is one of them? You didn't do nothing to this one?
This is one.
You said it's bent?
But yeah, you cannot push it inside.
Oh, you can't push it inside. I see. That one too?
I have to see it.
Is that what you did to the ones? That's all the damage you did? You're pulling you're bending the levers back? What is the point of doing that?
Like,
what does it cause? Does it cause the engine not to come on? What does it do?
it will go into maintenance.
It'll go into what?
Maintenance.
If you're up flying and you don't recognize it, could it crash you?
No, you can definitely sit in ground only. Like it's damaged.
Yeah, this one's definitely bent. Like that one's like all the way down. All right. What was the other one? This one right here? Bent. What does it cause? What happens when he bends it? Like, what does this cause? What does this kind of damage cost the plane?
Well, pretty much if you're on the ground, nothing happened. But if you're flying, let's say, I mean, that's the main power. That's how you get the power. That's like a throttle, you know, in the car accelerator.
Right. But if it's up in the air,
I mean, you're going down.
right. Yeah, this one's dead. Yeah. What's our count so far? How many?
I got 5 now.
Yeah, they did another one.
How long have you been here?
Almost 1.5 years.
1.5 years? Do you like it?
No,
Oh.
not the school.
Let's go.
The country is okay.
No, the country.
The country is okay.
No, I don't think this one.
Hey, partner, this one or no?
No.
This one? No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I didn't know.
Just this one.
Yeah.
And that
They
one?
check one? Yeah. And now there is a on the other side of this place. We have to walk from there.
The other side of this building?
There's the other side. We can go through here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you seen anything, this kind of thing before?
Yeah.
And what happened?
It all depends.
On the system?
It depends on the victim. That's a nice car.
There's a few of them here.
Just a few.
Just a few.
What did the victim say about me on phone? Like he got the call from you.
Well, yeah, because the airplanes are damaged.
And what did he say? Like,
Well, the airplanes are damaged.
that's it?
Yeah. And it's important because, you know, you have the FAA, the plane has to be in proper working order. Did you know that airplane, if it's damaged, it could crash while flying? You know that?
But I'm not like crazy mad, but I'm just mad on him. And
Oh,
he
yeah.
can just fix this plane before the planes are going to air that.
He has to fix the planes before it can fly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It will only cost him like money, like a lot of money, $30,000. Not that much, $10,000-$15,000.
Okay.
This guy is a complete idiot, bro. He thinks it's okay to just damage them because he could just he could just fix it before they fly it or whatever. But he shouldn't have to. The planes were already in great working condition, and there you go. You throw a temper tantrum like a girl, and you know, come on, man. And now you mess up the whole program. They got to walk all the way on the other side of the building because you damaged planes on the other side of the building too. Oh man, I hope he get hit with some nice jail time, bruh.
I got 6 on my count.
Yeah, I got 6.
Which one?
That was
This one? These 3 right here?
So that one and that one. What about this one? Nope.
No, I don't have access to that.
Okay.
I mean, I want to.
So we're at 9 now. What else you got? That's it? He said there's 2 more over here. We're at 9 so far. You said that's it, correct?
Can I talk to the vet or not?
When we get up there, yeah.
Can I talk with him or
He
not?
doesn't want to talk to you. As far as this goes, if they want to prosecute, that means that's what's going to happen.
So like am I going to be deported or something?
I don't know about being deported. That's going to ultimately be up to whatever happens after your court date and stuff like that. You want to what?
About the honor set, the practice.
Huh?
The honor of the school.
The owner of the school. What about? No, you can't. He doesn't want to talk to you.
But what did he say? Like what kind of further investigation he wants?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.